Hello again. Today I'm gonna show you how easy is scanning documents on your iPhone without having to download any applications. Let's go. First thing you have to do is unlock your phone, open your Notes menu, and click on the new Note writing icon on the lower right corner. And select the paperclip icon and click Scan Documents. On the upper right corner, you'll see two options, Auto and Manual. Just pick Auto to detect and scan paper automatically. Let's take a photo of the file. If you like the photo, just click Done. But if you don't like it, you can retake over here. Just retake it. And if it's done for you, just click Done button. That's it. You'll see how simple it is. If you find my video helpful, please to show your support, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.